In online or offline, whenever we want to go for any buying decision, we will review others' opinions. Those opinions constitute purchasing a product or using a service from a brand or business. In short, these reviews are termed as social proof. Social proof marketing is the new emerging trend in the digital arena. They impact customers' decisions psychologically. For example, a movie review on a social media platform may make one person interested and watch the movie. The social proof marketing is not limited to online, it impacts people offline too. For example, a crowded restaurant makes many people believe that the food is delicious. Here we will explore on the various marketing tactics that can keep you safe from the social influence. Quick takeaways. Social media acts as a strong deciding factor for a person to buy a product. Reviews navigate people in believing a product or service by offering the proof. Social proofs are the considered standards for customers. How a business can leverage using social proof marketing. Why social proof marketing is trending. The restaurant example in the above conveys how effectively social marketing works offline, but it is essential in digital marketing. It is easy to compare with hands-on analysis in the offline market, but it isn't easy in the online market. Whenever people tend to buy something online, they first go for reviews, opinions of other customers, to check if they give an okay. This acts as the deciding factor for a purchase. The opinion of a customer about a product or a service can be shaped by the reviews. Like how it is. What is the quality? How long it will last? Such information will be easy for a person who will purchase a service or a product. As for power reviews, over 90% of people read reviews before they go purchasing any product, and if stores mention the reviews on the top of the product, it will be easy for customers to buy things more frequently. How to use social proof marketing. Reviews work to showcase a route to the customer, they act as the proof of purchase, and they navigate the customer to risk his money on a particular product. They act as the source for many visitors to decide and determine the essential facts about a product or service. That is why reviews are the major social proofs in digital marketing. Common applications of social proof. Positive reviews on product purchase platform. Customer testimonials. Influencer endorsements. Impacting with the social media following. Number of purchases. Awards and social recognition for a product. Social shares. The above are the ways we can utilize them as the social proof to market our product and maximize the reputation in the audience. When to use social proof. Social proof acts as the medium to validate information about a product or service to achieve sustainable results in the consumer world. When a person refers a product with a review to a person, then he has excellent belief on a specific product because of the social proof review and the person who introduced that product. In order to give perfect competition in the present marketing situations, social proof is the best option for organizations to have an advantageous edge. When someone from our friends list on Facebook likes a post, we might see that post. It will reflect in our profile with a notification as, one of your friends liked this post. All these algorithms are reflections of social proof in social media. If we do not know how to utilize social proof marketing for landing pages, social posts, product pages, and blog content, then it may lead to severe sustainability issue. What is the best method? Every business has its way to showcase their results and opinions to its customers in a different way, backed up with a specific goal. A company needs to understand what method works for them to accomplish their target, like for sign-ups, more demos for their customers, and generate more traffic to the site. All of these goals act as the driving factors of a business. If we require more traffic to the site or blog, we can create a notification displaying how many people gave their opinions on the blog to navigate more people to the site. If you want more sign-ups, then you can showcase someone from your list has signed up to your site to get more sign-ups. A new review will always generate more reviews, so it's better to showcase all the reviews in the notification bar itself. This will help to cultivate more reviews. Conclusion. Reviews are the source to make people believe in certain products and services in the online and offline medium as proof of standard. They are increasingly becoming the reasons for a company's success or failure. It's entirely driven by the original customer experience, making other customers believe in products and services. In short, it acts as the customer opinion system, real engagement tactic and deciding factor on service before a purchase. Getting the right reviews by happy customers can go a long way in garnering goodwill online and increasing the customer base. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.